Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange Dia de Muertos special pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can purchase this with daily limit 10 per day. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button and tap the live events and welcome to Dia de Muertos store. So I want to show you this one. Dia de Muertos special pack, 50% off. And you will be guaranteed reward 76 until 90. This contains 76 plus of your Dia de Muertos icon or hero player. This is guaranteed reward for you. And also you have a possible rewards. If you are lucky, you can get this player. For example, you can get Luis Hernandez. This is the Dia de Muertos icon player, for example. Or you can get 86 plus of your Dia de Muertos icon or hero player. You can exchange with gems in here, 1250. And this is what is special because this is 50% off. Let's try once more. And who's I've got reveal all, and I've got this Pulido. Just tap reveal all. And I've got this guy. Maybe you're luckier than me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click that button below. Enjoy the game.